Hi, welcome to another episode of JINIL'S English Park. Today's topic is that clause. That clause is perhaps the easiest one because it is just a matter of writing that and then adding a statement. Look at this, that a virus can eliminate humans. Anyone can make a sentence like a virus can eliminate humans. Just add that to that and you've got that clause. So the recent developments in the world prove, what do they prove? That a virus can eliminate humans. It's very simple, isn't it? Now look at the next sentence. It is believed. What is believed? That large cities are better than remote villages for happy living. This is what you believe. That large cities are better than remote villages for happy living. So you just add it is believed, the main part of the sentence there. And then you just add that large cities are better than remote villages for happy living. So this is very easy to use that clauses. There are some more examples here. You can go through that. That various arts and music are taught in primary schools. This is used as the subject here. This is used as the subject of the entire sentence, that various arts and music are taught in primary schools. This means the fact that various arts and music are taught in primary schools. What does that fact do? Proves it is important or proves its importance. Okay, so here like this also you can use that clause as the subject of a complex sentence. You can use it as the object of a complex sentence. You can use it in many ways. Here is another example. It is clear from the chart. What is clear from the chart? That Australia is the leading producer of sports material. So now next example, the last example is the foremost reason of illiteracy in rural parts. What is that reason? Is that women are discriminated. Okay, you can see that women are discriminated is the foremost reason of illiteracy in rural parts. That way also you can say, or you can say the foremost reason of illiteracy in rural parts is that women are discriminated. So this is the way you use that clause.